The Auspice TV.
Yeah, welcome to Auspice TV. Today we are moving on to Geena app. How you can use Geena app to manage your business online. You can use it to manage your business, you can use it to create a website and others. So just go to Play Store and search for Geena. Now the first one here, as you can see, now it has 4.2. The app is so powerful that you can use it to manage your business and to grow your business online. You can use it to create websites, you can use it to create online store, you can use it to manage your business, POS, inventory control system. And the most powerful aspect of this app is that you can do everything offline, and when you are anytime you are connected online, it will synchronize them to online, to their cloud database. So let's go. Now let me quickly install it. Now installed, so click on open to open the app. So click on get started. Now you can sign up with your phone number, email address, or that's all. So you have staff and you have added your staff into the app, so your staff can log in through this place. So let me quickly sign up. After you have signed up, so you need to enter your username. So let me just put anything you like username. Just put side, and your PIN. So I'll confirm the PIN. So continue. Good. Now enter your business details. So let me put anything, any name, your business details. Let me just put code craft. Now the location of it, Lagos Island. After you've entered the details, so click on next to proceed. You can see, so my business account is created successfully. So click on close. Good. Now this is my panel. Let's explore around. Let me start from this place. Click on this place. You can see we have make sales. So let me click here. On this make sales, before you can say you want to manage your sales or any other thing, you need to add product, because on product the analytics would come from. Now let me click on this place to add product. Let me quickly add one product. Now after that, to check more details, unit cost. Now this optional, so add product to online shop. So click here. So what details do you want it to have? Let me just say example products. Delivery instructions, so maybe address, or you must not pay before you buy this. Anything you like, you just put there, just instruction about delivery. So when come with your money, we have POS, we have this and that. So just type anything you like here. So do you want to preview do you want your customers to preview the product on YouTube? So if yes, all you need is just the YouTube ID. So let me check. Okay. Now if YouTube, enter a link to your product video ID. So for example, if YouTube link is this or is this, so your ID will be from K. You can see from this equal to, so this is your ID. If the link is this is your ID. From K here, this is your ID. So you know this is my ID or the example here, so it may be different from the one you want to copy from YouTube. Just know that your ID will be number like it should be a string like this. So after equal to, we have something like this. So this is your ID. Now that is that ID you copy, you paste it here. So sold out, no. So I don't have a video. Let me just click on add. It remains picture, so upload picture here. Let me use this. Okay. Okay, after that, add product. Inventory created successfully, so it's added. Go back. that means you can see, so that means I can find my product here. Now let me click on it, view item, yes. So this is it, add discount, in case you want to add discount to it. So you can see add discount, click add. Now this is not where we are going to, but I just want you to understand the meaning of this section. So let's go straight to my stock. That's just a store. So this is what I have in my stock. On the category all and general. So you want to add more category, you can still add. I will show you that place later. In case you want to rearrange, reorder, so expiry, we don't have any here. So this expiry means it's all about quantity. You can set expiry date for your stock so that the stock about to expire shows on this list. So under that place where we are adding product, so you can set expiry date for the product. Maybe it's food item, so you can set expiry date for it, and you'll be notified, or you will see those expiring products here. They will be listed at this section. Is it this year or next year? You can see you can filter them here. So it is this week, this month, next month, and all that. This app is so powerful. Okay, now do you have any transaction on your website, on your app, or in your store? You know we have online store there. So at the bottom here, don't worry, I will show you online store website. So do you have any transaction there? If yes, so you see them here. You see your transaction and how much you've made. Okay. Now on this wallet, let's neglect this one, because wallet is just about how you can store your, store your money locally or online here. So fund your wallet, you can withdraw it as well. So verify your account by entering your details. So that's under wallet, but wallet is not part of way of managing your business here. So now expenses, click on expenses, how much you've spent, your expenses on this platform, there is and that. So you find your expenses here, and if you want to add new one, add it here. So what are you saying? Maybe you export or you import. So the importation or exportation here. Amount, how much did you spend? Enter it here. So select category. Is it just sales? If it's sales, or you general admin expenses. What I just said is about the maybe you export products. So you can select general admin expenses. And if the thing, maybe you went to market to buy some things, the money for your tip fare, for your transport fare, that one be is general admin expenses. So the sales here, maybe you want to deliver a product, you want to deliver goods to your customer, the amount you spent for your tip fare, or those, you know, that is relating to sales. So I think you should select sales. Okay, so let's go to staff. In case you want to add staff to your platform, so I'm the owner, you can add staff here, and your staff will be able to log in. You know, I showed you that place at the beginning of this app, so where staff can also log in. Okay, now this is customer, your customer report. This is our analytics. So this report takes me to browser. So let's wait. So I'm online now because it's live report. You can see, so it's live. There's nothing. I don't have anything yet. You can see. So the graph shows nothing. Oh my God, this is very fantastic. Okay, now let's go back to the app. This online store, this is where you click on settings, manage rules, printer settings. You know, because you can generate receipts on this app. I will show you that you can generate receipts that you can print out through your Bluetooth printer. Now let me go to online store. So we need to set it up so that we can have websites now. Do you have WhatsApp number to use? So if yes, put your number here or it's your email address. What will be your website name? Let me use this. You can see my website link is now site.geena.shop. So theme to use, guys. Then next. This is your logo, so let me choose logo. Just the pictures I have here, let me choose anyone. So after that, click on next. All done. So do you want to share it? Do you want to share your store, your shop? So this is the link. Let me copy it out and check it on the browser. Let's see how our website will look like. Wow. So this is my website. That A is sold out. So the product I had at that time, so it's sold out. It shows here. Now the email you added. No, as I have phone number, so the phone number will display here. So go to settings to add the phone number. So this WhatsApp, that's a WhatsApp number that I added last time. Okay, that product is sold out. Let me quickly show you how you can resolve that. Go to your stock, this, edit, sold out. So uncheck. So since it is sold out, you can uncheck it. So you either delete this one or you add another one because it has been sold out. So okay, that's very simple to add products. It's very simple. Just click on display to add more products. That's easy. Okay, so categories we have here. Report suppliers. Now in your business, do you have any supplier? People that are supplying you goods. So if you have, you can still click on this place. Now this app, I will tell you that this app is just like a shop management. So you can use it to manage your store, to manage anything related to business. So that's how it works. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial on Geena. Thanks for watching.
Kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.